Hi, welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today we are going to work on my front patio. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've done for the fall 2023 season. I am also going to be adding Halloween to it coming pretty soon, but I wanted to kind of show you what I've started as a base, and then I will build on it in terms of Halloween decor. But I hope you guys, enjoy this video. You get some ideas, some inspiration, and let's get started. So in case you're new here, I bought this home. It was a foreclosure when I bought it and in pretty bad shape. And so when I was designing it, I wanted to keep in mind of entertaining from front to back. So I created this large front patio that then there was a window in the dining room. We made it into the French doors there so that you could go from the front patio to the dining room to the kitchen out to the back. So kind of entertaining from the front to the back. So this big, wonderful big patio up front has been a lot of fun. Having big parties. I've had baby showers up here, work events, different stuff. So this has always just been a really, really fun spot for me. I love using furniture. Now, obviously, I couldn't put these furniture pieces out, in the weather, but under the cover here in the front, I would even do it in the back as well, in the covered patio part. I absolutely love using these different furniture pieces. One is new. The wood armoire is new. I had it in storage, pulled that out. But this white shelving unit that I got a couple years back, I just love it. I decorate this every season, and it just makes such a statement piece. And I can't tell you, every single season, I always get multiple people that come to the door that just absolutely love all the decor in the front patio, or people driving by. It just has made it so fun and cozy. If you have an opportunity or a way to do this, I certainly would recommend. I just think it really makes a statement in your front patio. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found some inspiration and some ideas. I really am loving it. I am loving the far end with the new cabinet and that look. I think that just brings a lot of coziness to that fall front porch area. Remember, you can, if it's covered and you can use furniture pieces. One of my favorite things I have on my front porch is my the white hutch, and I decorate it for every season. And that was a Facebook Marketplace find, and I think it just adds such a different and cozy feel to that front entry that I couldn't achieve doing it other ways. So think of that. Think of there's some options out there to go ahead and do that. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.